I'm strong youth. And imagine, oh, if me's not a fan of Cartel, bro, me get them from?
May I represent for one MEDIAFACTS. MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. How the latest news them lock. MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. Trending, nah stop. MEDIAFACTS, MEDIAFACTS. How the latest report them.
People are gone. And don't know MEDIAFACTS, you know. Yeah man, yo. Big up everybody. I tell you no. Big up all of my supporters them. You see me? Big up all of the haters them and I come and see me. Big up all of who read the thing. I read the message. You see me? Yeah man. You don't know. When we come for talk facts. You see it? Yeah man. That is it. What people?
Subscribe now.
Ah boy.
Let me say.
Alkaline. Cause look at you know. People, it's a series me depend you know. Me tell you MEDIAFACTS depend a series. Right now, we are going to some cemetery and pick up back some artists. You see me? Yeah. And reason with them. You see all the artists them forward and this Alkaline. Right now them in a grave. So we just go in the cemetery. We go talk to them and ask them some question. People, wanna see who they on the thumbnail. RYGIN KING. You understand? But over the years, people make talk and everything as Alkaline say, everybody who this soon last. But RYGIN KING, wake up out of the grave man. Come here. Watch a video people.
Mad, the boy in our league, mama. Mama, you see a VVS the bomb in him. Drip.
When I just see the video a while ago. RYGIN KING. You remember when you say Alkaline in your league? Cause look here, people, I go put up a little picture for show you know. This is one of the comment where I reply to. When him get on the live. Them time of things are going for my Ray. RYGIN KING. Remember when you say Alkaline in your league? Zine? Then which league you play now? In RYGIN KING, which league you play now? Zine? Which league? Because I don't know if your league where you play even exists anymore. You understand? Because I tell you, you know.
Subscribe now.
All I know.
Let me say.
Where?
Subscribe
This
now.
Alkaline. Remember you know. Alkaline no do no now no nothing. You understand? And remember this. RYGIN KING. Remember say back then a long time you had do music before your boss. Your first big hit song are tough in around 2016. Them time they don't know Alkaline that run the place. Zine, round them time there. Alkaline. And you don't know Alkaline still there about 2025 when you see what go on. Zine, you remember that, right? Tough and every little thing and Ray. Because this is the thing with you, you know what mash up your career too? Ego. You never humble. You just boss with you hype up yourself and Ray. Zine? So, you reach at a point now where a league where you play expire a long time. You understand? And you're right, you know. You're right to say Alkaline in a league. A real thing, Alkaline in a league. A big league, Alkaline and David. You're a league where you're in. You're not even there on the field. Right now, you're in the crowd that sit down on bench outside a watch. Alkaline play a big league right now. You understand? Because you know, as you go, you have to just sit down because you can't really walk. But as I think said, Zine?
Subscribe now.
This is when
Let me say.
ego
Subscribe now.
When, remember this RYGIN KING. Remember say a long time when I do music. But then nobody never did look into young artists or boss and Ray. Them only look at artists that carry artists cause studio and carry up on stage. No for no. Young artists were forward up. And they're using a bad mind strategy and everything. With Alkaline thing. See? And then I say, look here, Alkaline open people eyes. Say people, young youths can boss without no big artists carry them on stage and every little thing. You know what I do? I use the ego, bowing down to man, and all sort of things. You see what I try to say? And this is the thing. People, look here. Because I'm going to play a video, you know. See? This, I when nothing now go on to him. And him a link Cartel, I text Cartel now answer him, you know. Strength him a look. See? I remember him come out, you know, with this big king thing. Yo, one king, Ray, you know, don't know Vice Cartel things they already. You don't know him put himself as king. See? So him forward with him egoistic mindset, king, Ray. Just boss with here. See? Look on the video.
Cartel, RYGIN KING. I don't know what Cartel I deal with. From when I text Cartel and tell him I'm ready, I don't know what I deal with.
So you just watch a video a while ago, people. You hear me say you're link Cartel and Ray. Look here now, I want to remember that video, you know, people. Remember that video, yeah. Come here, play one video down in the video. Where I'll carry back to this. Remember, you know, so you link Cartel and answer Ray. See? At that time, I think him did there in the US at that time. Ray Malin collab, one strength and Ray, this, that. One bag of chatting and every little thing. Zane. But you see some of the time when I hype up on yourself and try for this man and every little thing, remember say, for no time I go reach that day. Because all I want to work off a strength and every little thing, you know. Zane, yeah man, strength on the work off and not know if you do nothing by yourself. Zane, so people, look at now. Him do an interview recently when Cartel forward out. Zane, I go play that, I play the clip, I gonna hear what I want. Zane, alright. Look on these people.
Cartel forward July. Yeah, when Cartel could never forward from prison and me go up on my platform and I say, go on like one. After me no blood clot Alkaline.
I just see the clip. So, they ask my question about your Cartel coming out and where him say Ray. Rather than him answer it, you know him to forget a forward, him call Alkaline name. After him and Alkaline. Remember, Alkaline in a media and Ray chatting, So this man forward. Because this is the thing, I hear him not do interview, But it's because Cartel come road and he want strength. Because enough of them use Alkaline for this, Alkaline for get strength and Cartel, Enough of them, Be a bowing mentality, every little thing, Zine? Alright. Look at now people. So after all of that, Zine, because I get you want to get the Gaza fan them, Because remember, nobody never hear from him or know how when they, Zine? So he just call Alkaline now. Yeah, things say man get it forward and every little thing. And now, Zine, remember this was the same guy in a video there and say, yo, Cartel, Malin Cartel, Ray. So now Cartel father run when I look strength, Ray, this and that. Zine, but he never knowed the moment you do that, that's when your career going to sink. Because him feel like say, that I go save him when in this Alkaline say, Gaza fan jump up. Yeah man, that will this boy man, Ray. And that's how it work. Your career tick off this so. Once you do that, no for no artists with this the youth, the trying youth. Wanna see it? Look on him today. The whole out with this. Look at now. So after you do that, Zine, people, these are the thing now, Crying time now. You understand? Crying time. So after all of that now, look on the next clip, yeah.
My strong youth. And imagine. Oh, if me is not a fan of Cartel, bro, me get them from. And the meditation are deep because when me listen to the man, I say, yo, the man there in himself. And the pressure, brother.
We just watched a while ago. Then, all after this now, this man a break, man a cry, man a bawl, man a say, Cartel, help me. See me just this Alkaline there. Help. Take me out of a wheelchair. This is the thing. All a uno. We try bring down the youth. The ego talk. The bad mind talk. Where uno career there now? You RYGIN King? Kinda I say me to me there right now, Where uno career there? Alkaline a sold out arena. A sold out him show them. Him show keep all over the world. The flourish. All a uno. Where did that this Alkaline from him boss? Zine? Where? Funo? Doings. When move them on not make? In the music industry. What the shows? What not get book for?
Subscribe. No.
Why the people then forget about you? What happened? These are the thing. You see, we're not doing nothing. Never try bring down a youth. Because you feel like say, yo, you might get the space too much. Zine? Or no want ratings for other people. Because this is the thing. You know this Alkaline because of Vice Cartel, but when you check it, the Gaza fans and Cartel not support, You don't have nothing to forget. You don't realize that you know this Alkaline because you don't want the Gaza fan them. I want Cartel for rate, But when you check it, you don't have no career. You don't have no fans. Because you don't build up a next man fans and all of them look something. Zine? Because we can't even rank Cartel, Because I know about. Cartel never call no now and say, yo, bow to the knees front time. Yo, no better praise me. Anybody who try for this. You see that boy Alkaline there, want to diss him. Cartel never do that. Cartel never tell no. It's because you don't want support from the Gaza fan or certain little things. You understand? But you have to understand, say, look here. The Gaza fans only loyal to this man. You know, you not get no support. Gaza fan not buy an album. Them not do nothing. So all I know. I try this Alkaline. And as me say, we want a career there today. Try gaining Cartel attention or Gaza. What is that doing for the career? when the this Alkaline, what not get from that? Because no for this Alkaline, you know, on the reach level Alkaline reach. No for uno, we are this Alkaline. Zine, uno still now do what youth are doing in music. Right now. Uno not even have the amount of hit song what the youth have.
Subscribe now.
Zine, rather than you
Let me
see the
see.
youth and say, you know what, the youth of it is a young youth.
No.
You know what I wanna do? Start this, use ego, start bad mind. And you always end up in the dilulu. You understand? You always end up in the ditch, the gully. On your career sink. Because you feel like say yo, this in Alkaline all the time, I go prep up on the thing and ray. You understand? All I know hate and everything. And it make Alkaline there today. Because look here, Alkaline now meds, you know. You say if Alkaline did a meds, you know, it wouldn't reach today. But because you know so focused with this Alka, you don't forget about phone career and phone focus. Until I when you reach in the gutter now, and you have to look up, you can't come out of the gutter, you know. You have to look up and see Alkaline and walk past every day. I drive past every day. You did it down in the gutters. Because no for the career last. And we don't know if it's a forward back. You understand? Because we don't build no foundation in the game. We rather come on internet and make this ego talk and who and this man not in a league and ray and this that. Never know say look at no career go put on park and he can't take out a park. You understand? And I just saw the thing said. Rather than the focus on the music, now focus on bringing down a next man. I use a next man for gain a next man fans. You understand? But RYGIN King, all the way you do over the years, what you gain from it?
Subscribe now.
What you gain from it?
Let me see. Subscribe
Youths,
no.
wanna focus on the craft. Though, because a man and this a next man. Because when it come and boil down for phone time, that same man you wanna this man for, him not go no strength. Him no business about uno. Because enough of uno when me see na give him a bow down team and ray. Uno not gain nothing from it. Him not care about the shows and whatsoever. You understand? Focus on the craft. You see it? But people, when I don't know, yeah man, when I don't know MEDIAFACTS, that is it.